Today I want to show you how you can make profits on your idle assets using Pancakeswap. Now this process is known as staking. What is staking? Staking is when you deposit your assets, your digital assets in a dedicated wallet or an exchange and or into a validator, and then any reward afterwards after you've so you're not actively trading it, you just moved your assets, your digital assets, from maybe wherever you bought it from, and then you moved into a wallet like Trust Wallet, and maybe any other wallet that supports staking. For example, now this Trust Wallet supports staking. Like if you go to the wallet side, you will see this place now. So these are tokens you can stake here. So this is like you can stake Algo, you can stake Cover, you can stake Tezos, you can stake BNB. See, you can stake your BNB, and you can even let's just say now because now it's in a Binance chain. You can still swap it to Binance Smart Chain. But now, if you look at the percentages here, these are what you earn is 6%, 11%, 5%, 6%, 7%, 14%. But how do you make a whole lot of more money from your idle assets in a very short while? Now I'm going to show you how like during the bear market, I wasn't actively trading because it was more like the more you try, the more the market gets deeper. So what I did was I checked out platforms that I can earn rewards from. I used Celsius Wallet. I used on Binance. Binance has some staking options, and then I found out that Pancakeswap has staking options too, and the staking options are very very profitable. Now let's look at it. So when they come to these four boxes called the apps or your Trust Wallet, you go down to Pancakeswap, and then under Pancakeswap you come to, now you will see your left hand tab. Under the left hand tab you will see home, trade, liquidity, LP migration, and farm. Now look at it now. The different under farms you will see that you will need to stake what we call liquidity pool tokens. Now in liquidity pool tokens, now that's not what I want to explain today, but if you stake in liquidity pool tokens, you stake 2 coins, you pair 2 coins, and then use it to add liquidity into a pool, and then you'll be given what you call liquidity pool tokens. It's not that liquidity pool tokens that you will stake. I do this one too. But then there's a straightforward form of staking that gives you even much more. Now look at that. See this Connect A just came out a few days ago, and if you pair it to BNB, you earn over 100%. Look at this one. This one is giving even 1000% by pairing. So if you have BNB, your BNB shouldn't be idle. You shouldn't just be idle. You can pair your BNB with this coin SPS, and you earn over 1000%. So but this is what I want to show you. This is liquidity pool token. How to add liquidity. Now let me show you the staking exactly. Now let's go to, now you find staking, just staking. This one does not need you to add 2 coins. You just need to stake that coin, and you find it under pools. Now these are tokens you can stake. Look at it now. Look at tokens you can stake. Different tokens you can stake. I'm waiting for it to load up so that you will see the percentages. Now look at it now. If you automatically, let's just take for example now you have cake, and you select auto cake, it means that it will be, see, at 8%. If you hold your tokens for a period of 1 year, at least in 3 weeks, 1 month, 2 months, you should have made more cake. Now you know that cake reached got over $25 before the dip, and then cake now has dropped a bit. So what does staking do for you? Staking means that you're giving support to the network, and then you are earning back. You're earning rewards back for supporting the network. And in this staking now, how do you what does the reward look like? You might be rewarded in the same token that you are staking, or you might be rewarded in the native token of the wallet or the exchange you're using. For example, now your reward here comes in mostly cake, because cake is the native token of Pancakeswap. See now, you stake cake, you earn SPS. Now in this case, the particular scenario now, you're staking cake. You're staking cake. Now cake is a token you stake in this scenario now, because the owners of the Pancakeswap now, they want you to use use their tokens a lot. So as soon as the coin comes out as soon as the coin comes out newly, they they integrate it immediately, add it to the pool, and then you can stake their cake so you can earn the other token. Remember how C98 gave a lot of percentages, like it did over lots of percent from listing to in just a matter of minutes, up to hours, and up to a day. Now look at it now. If you're staking it, you're earning 75%. It was Now, what's about staking is that it's very important that you check constantly here, because if you're among the first persons to start earning the APR on a token, because the more people are joining the pool, the more the APR will be dropping, because there's a fixed amount of token assigned to people that want to stake. So if more people join the pool, then more people the quantity reward you earn will start dropping. So it's important that you come here to check often to see which tokens were just added, and if their APR is annual percent return, if their APR is high enough. Because the more you're staking, just like when I was taking doggy, I did doggy and BNB liquidity, and when it was over 100%, now it has dropped to 45%, and I had made some I made extra big. I did it on bakery swap, and I made it extra big. So when imagine when if big go back its all time high, I used my idle assets to make more big, that will give me extra money when the price even goes up, even at this point. So now look at now, because if you come back in the next 1 week now, this APR would have dropped because more people would have joined this pool. You're not the only one that's checking this thing out. And look at now, you see the quantity of people that have staked it. See, look at this one. And when you stake cake, so how do you start? You click on enable. When you click on enable, it will go and collect gas fee. It will go and collect you pay a little bit of gas fee. Of course, it's in BNB, you pay the gas fee, and then it will be, you've activated it, and you will not have to stake your cake. The quantity of cake you have will appear. It will now tell you to, plus, you click on the plus to add quantity that you want to stake, and then you say, now these are the people, these are total number amounts of cake staked in this pool now. So now look at this now. Let me wait for it to load more. Just in case that you didn't even get some of the things I said in this video, just go back and watch it again, and then take your time and understand it. This is the reason why I'm making a more detailed video. Now look at it. See, this earnings as of a few days ago, they were really higher than this, but people have started joining the pool. So you earn more when you join on time, because these pools now will still drop. Like Okay, now let's arrange it based on sort it based on APR. Now let's see the based on APR now. See, right now the highest APR now is SPS 1000%. So if you join this pool, now all you have to do is go to find an exchange or find a place or see if SPS is listed on Pancakeswap. But no, you don't have to, like, all you have to do is just take cake. Just scratch what I just said. All you have to do is just to stake cake. Like now, if I have cake now, take for example, I have 10 cake. I just have to come here, um, and enable it, enable, and then stake the cake I have, and I start earning SPS. Of course, you have to see it's even increasing. The APR has been increasing. It means that more this is adding to this pool. What you can earn is this, so you can check, find out where the, because if SPS is listed on Pancakeswap, as long as you make your profit, because what you earn is SPS, you can now swap your SPS back to cake. So you have more cake to always stake. I don't know if what I said now made sense. Like, what you stake here is cake you stake. Look at it. It's only cake you can stake. Well, you stake the cake and then you earn those tokens. Now, when you earn those tokens, you can sell them to give you back cake, to give you back um you can see the APR is still increasing to 1100. It's really increasing. So imagine, like, if you take your cake into this pool now, you're going to make SPS. So personally, I'm going to check what this SPS is worth now, the value in the future, and see if I can take advantage of this 1100. The APR is still increasing. Now, look at the maximum. There's no minimum you can stake, but there's a maximum you can stake. The maximum every user can stake is 100 cake. So you see, these are other percentages. So I now arrange it based on the highest to lowest. Highest to lowest. Highest to lowest. So you can earn different tokens. See, even all this APR, no bank, no savings can give you this amount of returns. No savings can give you this amount of returns. So this is it. So how do you start? First thing first, you buy your cake. When you buy your cake, you move your cake to your Trust wallet, and then you go to the small boxes beneath the screen of your phone. And if you're using a laptop, you need to install MetaMask in your browser, MetaMask browser in your Chrome browser, in order to, and then you activate your wallet, just like you load up your Trust wallet passphrase, recovery phrase into it, and then you can also access your same wallet on your phone, on your laptop. So you click on the small boxes on your phone, and you just it to take you to those the listed exchanges. You click on Pancakeswap, or you type in Pancakeswap on the browser. It takes you to the pancakeswap.finance, and you just simply go to the side, your left hand tab, and you go under pools, and then you will be here. Now, see what happened here. There's a bounty. This bounty is given as a reward for providing service to other users. So whenever you successfully claim the bounty, also help out by activating the auto cake pools companion function for everyone. So this is like free cake given to you. So you can always be coming here check if you have free bounties, and you keep claiming and claiming and claiming and claiming. So now, so after you've okay, so let's take for example, you want to take advantage of this APR now. You click on enable, it will go take a little bit of gas fee, and then activate it, and then the quantity of cake you have will show, and then you click on stake, and you take another gas fee, and then you start staking. That's it. So when you're satisfied with the quantity, then look at bounty. You can keep on claiming this bounty. This is a way to get free cake. And so it is that simple. If you have any questions, drop your questions in the comment section and I'll answer your question. Don't forget to share this video with someone and don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.